Hi, my name is Mike. I'm 34. I'm an upstate New Yorker. And I want this generation of professionals in the workforce to moment mentor the next. Because there is a problem. It's not a secret. Everybody knows it. Students in 9 through 12, students in high school, they don't know what they want to do. They don't even know really what options are out there. Doctor, lawyer, people kind of get that, but they don't really know what everybody in their community does for a living. Like, I'm a civil engineer. I didn't know what that was when I was in high school. When students go to college, spend 2 or 4 years and rack up a lot of debt, even then, when they graduate, the skill set that they have compared to the skill set they need to crush it at work, there's a gulf. And it's painful for everybody, painful for the student, painful for the employer, because employers have to train a lot of money, spend a lot of money in training them. Meanwhile, everybody's retiring from the workforce and all that knowledge and everybody's heads leaving. This whole spectrum of how expertise is generated and transferred in society isn't really working. I think the way to fix it is to mentor. We need professionals to go in to schools and show students what they do for a living, how all the pieces of their education come together so they can crush it in the workplace. Mentoring is the key. But nobody does it. No professionals, not many professionals mentor. And they're not going to because they don't have any time. They are busy building families, building businesses. They don't have hours to schlep up to neighboring schools and mentor the next generation, so they don't, and they won't. But no professional is so busy that they don't have a moment. A moment when they get into work or before lunch that they couldn't share with students in their community. We've all been in moments when we've been in a meeting or on a job site and we thought to ourselves, oh, they should teach this in schools. Now we can. Formed Expertise Project to bring this concept of moment mentoring to life. So what is moment mentoring? It's just what I said. You are in the workplace. If there's something that's happening that you think that students should know about, you log on to expertiseproject.org, you go to the mentor button, you click on the webcam feature, it turns on your webcam on your phone or in your desktop, and you capture the moment. Tell educators what it's really like being in your job. Show students. Hit submit. Each week, Expertise Project will take a moment from this professional and this professional and this professional, and we'll bundle them all together and push it to educators and students so they can see those moments too. Pretty quickly, I think students in high school will get a better idea what their neighbors do for a living. People graduating from higher ed will have a better skill set to help employers day one at work. And all the professionals that are leaving the workforce to retire, to go on maternity leave, to switch fields, they can be depositing what they've learned over the course of their career in the Expertise Project one moment at a time. So they can get recycled to the next generation. I think this concept can work. I think it'll be a lot of fun. But we'll see. So, this is the first Moment Mentoring Monday email. We'll do another one next week. Take a look. Watch a moment that's already been shared by a civil engineering professional in your community. There's a question from a student. Watch it. And if you have a moment to offer that student an answer to their question, hit mentor. Should be simple as that. It's only going to take a moment.